video too? Hey guys, miss you. We're going to talk today about annotating our standards, and to start with, you're going to have to find the standards for our class. So for first block, we're going to use our HRT Essential Standards. Everybody see these? Can you see me scrolling through? And we just learned that there are how many standards? 12. So step 1 is to go through the standards, and you're going to create a Google Doc where the end result is going to pull those 12 standards out so that you can see them. I went ahead and did this for marketing principles. So if you go into your folder that's found in your drive. Oh, I like that sweatshirt, Alex.
You made it yourself.
You made it yourself? I like it.
Yeah. Pretty good at it.
Let's see. I'm going to have to go to his shared with me section. And right there, you'll see a post where I just put that in there. So we're going to open up our marketing principle standards. And what did I do? I went through the documentation, and I did what for marketing principles?
This one has 13.
Correct. Marketing principles has 13, so it's got one extra one. So step 1 for this assignment is to read through your standards and pull out the main 12 standards. You're only going to have 12. And all I did was copy and paste them. Okay? Step 2 is we're going to turn these into our learning targets. So instead of demonstrate employability skills required by business and industry, all we're going to do is we're going to add the word I can demonstrate. Then what are we going to do at the next one? Guess. I can. Now, are these your standards? These? No. These are marketing principles. So you're going to have to create a Google document, and you're just going to look for the standards. So here's the first standard, and this one's a little wonky because it really goes into depth with employability skills, and y'all have heard me talk about that time and time again. So here's the first one, but then when you scroll down, it's going to be a little bit easier to pick out the remaining 11. Here's this one, and so on and so forth. Everybody with me? Okay, so your step 1 to get these annotated and for us to unpack them so we can understand them is to go through here and put them all on a Google Doc and then turn them into I can statements. Any questions? No? All right. Yes, we are lucky that our standards are already in a format that we don't have to reword them. Now that's not for every class, but since our curriculum is more hands-on and action-based anyway, we can absolutely just turn it into an I can statement. So I don't want you to do this actual document. You're going to create your new document for your own standards. I just put this in the folder for you to see an example.
So.
Okay.